How to trim your videos in CapCut mobile app. It's pretty similar process for both Android and iOS device. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application CapCut. Wait for a while for the application to be loaded. Once loaded, it will land you on the space. Now, in order for you to trim the video, first of all, click on New Video. It will open up a gallery. Inside gallery, you have to select any of the video that you would want to trim or cut. Once selected, click on Add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait for a while for the video to be uploaded. Tap on Next. There you go, the video has been added over here. Now if you want to trim it, then all you gotta do is click on the video. Once clicked, you will see the white box. From the very start of the video, you have to drag it to the right side of the screen. And there you can see that the video has been trimmed. Drag it till where you want to trim. Likewise, you can also do it from the end of the video. You have to drag it to the left side. So there you go, the video has been trimmed successfully. Now if you want to save it into your gallery, click on Export at the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.